Hi friends, my name is Vikram Pratap Singh and I am a business analyst. The post-COVID world is going to be a very different place for businesses, especially for startups. There are going to be many challenges, but there are going to be a lot of opportunities that is going to present itself. We will be exploring these opportunities through various webinars, seminars, and courses that we have in store for you. Did you always want to have a business of your own? Then we have a course designed especially for you. How to start a startup. Yes, How to Start a Startup is a course that is designed for students, that is designed for freshers, that is designed for people doing 9-to-5 jobs. Yes, this course will let you achieve your dreams of becoming an entrepreneur, of having your own business, of starting your own startup. This course is designed in such a way that will help you understand the most complicated business theories in just about 5 to 10 minutes. All you have to do is go through these videos and attend our webinars and seminars to understand the opportunities that lay in front of you. And there are going to be FAQ sessions after the end of every lesson so that before moving on to the next lesson, you fully understand the lesson that is already being taught to you. Please like, share and comment on YouTube and also subscribe to our channel there and also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. Thank you very much.